Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Pisces. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. So that may answer some doubts or confusions you have in your mind regarding your situation. So let's see what are the cards for your general energies, guys. So we have Temperance in reverse, Six of Wands, and Nine of Pentacles. So Pisces, you are someone who is enjoying success today, something you are really happy about. You have satisfaction, harmony, and balance in your situation, and things are going in a very positive way for you guys, and you are happy for the things you have, maybe in your work or it may be in this relationship, happy for this love, happy for the success you are seeing in your career. And maybe today you have achieved certain things for you, maybe some projects or financial deals, whatever it is. People appreciate your talents and skills, and you are feeling really confident and successful today, guys, Pisces. But you should not forget the people who have helped you today, guys, and the success you are seeing today has been the reason. There are many people who have helped you towards this success, so you should always remember their part and the way they have helped you today, and you should not forget that, guys, in your situation. And you must appreciate their talents and skills and be humble if you want to hold on to this situation today. And maybe today in your situation you are proceeding in a positive way in life, and it has opened your eyes. You feel really confident, and you have happiness overwhelming you, and you feel attracted to some kind of a faith or a belief system. Maybe you and your person, you share common belief or some kind of a faith, a path you have chosen for yourself, and you are following it today, guys, or you are having a deep conviction on that faith or some belief system, and you are happy for it, and you are feeling really overwhelmed with happiness, success, Pisces. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. It is Empress. So things are going in a positive way in this relationship, guys, and for some of you, I see that you are planning to have a family, have a child together. So some kind of a positive future plan is what is happening in this relationship, and you both understand each other, and it is true love, guys. That is what you have for each other, and you share great respect and caring understanding for each other, Pisces. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Five of Swords in reverse. So with this card, you are making a lot of efforts in your work situation, guys. You are working hard, you want success and prosperity, you have a lot of dreams and goals, you are moving towards that, and maybe your situation will change, guys, very soon. So all the rewards for your efforts are going to reach you very soon, guys, Pisces. So that is the reading for you all today, Pisces. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards and 2 crystals. So you can either choose the cards or the crystals, guys. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. So you can think about your situation or the questions you have in your mind. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card so that way the reading may resonate. So let's close our eyes and meditate, and I will start the reading after a few seconds, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card for y'all. For those who chose this card, we have Spirit Quartz. So with this card, guys, it just means that you need to reach out and connect with the people around you and discover the true power of gifts by sharing with the people you love, and willingness to put everyone's welfare ahead of our own small self for now, guys. So with this card, it just means that by the way you are connecting with the person in this romantic love, you are showing the universe that you are deeply moved by this love and you are ready for a healthy romantic partnership today. And there are different ways love is approaching you today, guys. And with this abundance of love, you are moving towards the power to heal yourself and you are changing your vibration. So with love in your heart, you are changing positively and your vibration is very positive today. And when we have positivity in our life, guys, it is going to attract more positive things for us. So that is the energy with this card. So when we are open to love, maybe for some of you, you are getting someone interesting, someone is coming towards you to propose to you, they are interested in you, and it is time you give up the expectations. Maybe you have certain dreams about someone and you are expecting people to match those dreams, but what is reaching you may be something not up to your dreams, but it may be something even much more better for you guys, this person. So that is the energy with this card. So you just have to give up the expectation you have today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, Forgiveness. So with this card, guys, the energy is that today we are moving towards that healing energy. So maybe in our situation we would have done something we regret, we would have hurt someone maybe, or we are holding grudges or want to take revenge on someone. But this cycle of anger, resentment is not going to take us anywhere, guys. It is simply going to trap us, and by forgiving others, forgiving the person who has wronged us, we are just benefiting ourselves. So it allows us to heal and releases us from this cycle of blame. So forgiving does not mean that you need to forget what has been done. It just means that it allows both parties to move on positively with their lives. And forgiveness does not depend on you and the other person forgiving simultaneously, guys. So the sooner you forgive, it is good for you, and the sooner you accept forgiveness from that other person, it is going to be good for you, and you are going to heal much more faster, and you are going to see a change, a positive change in your situation, and you will simply heal from the painful memories that you had, and those memories are just going to vanish once you forgive this person, and you will be able to move on positively, have a brighter future, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.